I truly appreciate your time, and I'm grateful for all your likes and comments. Stay tuned for more great content.
The city has been called several different names since the end of the 15th century AD, including local names such as Agadir Eger, Agadir Larba, Layin Larba, Founti, and Tegmi Ogadir. Berber dialects were the original languages spoken in Morocco before even Arabic was introduced, and its influence can be seen even in the Moroccan Arabic commonly spoken at home and in the streets. Berber can also be heard spoken among families and on the street, depending on where you are in Morocco.
Deprived of its old town by the 1960 earthquake, Agadir caught the heart of Moroccan-born Sicilian master decorator Beato Salvatore, Coco Polizzi, who had long cherished the ambition of recreating a Medina for the city, born into a family of builders. It was with extraordinary determination that he set to work on this pharaonic project in 1992, finding it a tremendous outlet for his talents. Located in the heart of Agadir, Morocco, the Old Medina showcases a rich history that dates back centuries. Originally established in the 16th century, the Medina was a bustling commercial hub along the trade routes of North Africa. It was a melting pot of cultures, with influences from Berber, Arabic, and European settlers. However, in 1960, a devastating earthquake struck Agadir, causing widespread destruction to the Old Medina. Many historical buildings were destroyed, leading to the reconstruction of the area in a modern style. Despite the loss of much of its original architecture, the Old Medina still retains some of its charm and historical significance. Today, visitors can wander through the narrow streets and alleyways of the Old Medina, admiring the traditional Moroccan craftsmanship in the souks and marketplaces. The Kasbah, a former fortress overlooking the city, offers panoramic views of the coastline and a glimpse into Agadir's past. With its unique blend of history, culture, and architecture, the Old Medina in Agadir remains a testament to the enduring spirit of this vibrant city. Visitors can immerse themselves in the stories of the past, while also enjoying the modern amenities and attractions that Agadir has to offer. Agadir Old Town offers a variety of activities for visitors to enjoy. One popular thing to do is explore the ancient Kasbah, which offers stunning panoramic views of the city and the ocean. Visitors can also wander through the narrow, winding streets of the Old Town, taking in the traditional Moroccan architecture and vibrant street life. The Old Talborch Mosque is another must-visit attraction in Agadir Old Town, known for its beautiful design and peaceful atmosphere. For those interested in history, the Museum of Amazigh Culture provides insight into the indigenous Berber people of Morocco. Additionally, shopping at the bustling markets in the Old Town is a great way to experience authentic Moroccan culture and pick up unique souvenirs. Foodies will also appreciate the local cuisine available in the Old Town, from traditional taginess to freshly baked pastries. And for a relaxing day at the beach, Agadir's coastline is just a short walk away from the Old Town. Overall, Agadir Old Town offers a rich tapestry of experiences for visitors to immerse themselves in Moroccan culture and history. Agadir Old Town offers a variety of activities for visitors to enjoy. One popular thing to do is explore the ancient Kasbah, which offers stunning panoramic views of the city and the ocean. Visitors can also wander through the narrow, winding streets of the old town, taking in the traditional Moroccan architecture and vibrant street life. The old Talborj Mosque is another must-visit attraction in Agadir Old Town, known for its beautiful design and peaceful atmosphere. For those interested in history, the Museum of Amazigh Culture provides insight into the indigenous Berber people of Morocco. Additionally, shopping at the bustling markets in the old town is a great way to experience authentic Moroccan culture and pick up unique souvenirs. Foodies will also appreciate the local cuisine available in the old town, from traditional taganess to freshly baked pastries. And for a relaxing day at the beach, Agadir's coastline is just a short walk away from the old town. Overall, Agadir Old Town offers a rich tapestry of experiences for visitors to immerse themselves in Moroccan culture and history. Which add a sense of liveliness and character to the historic neighborhood. Whether it's the striking blue hues of the ocean, the warm tones of the desert, or the rich colors of a local flora and fauna, the wall paintings in the old Medina of Agadir are a true reflection of the city's natural surroundings and cultural identity. Visitors and locals alike are drawn to these stunning works of art, which serve as a visual celebration of the city's heritage and a source of inspiration for both artists and admirers. Yes, the entrance to Old Medina Agadir is not free for all visitors. This historic area, dating back to the 16th century, is open to the public without any admission fees. Visitors can explore the narrow alleys, traditional shops, and bustling marketplaces without having to pay for entry. The Old Medina is a popular tourist destination, offering a glimpse into the rich heritage and culture of Agadir. It is a vibrant and lively neighborhood filled with local craftsmen, artists, and street performers. The area is also home to several historical landmarks, including the ancient walls and the Kasbah, which offer stunning panoramic views of the city and coastline. Additionally, the Old Medina is a great place to sample traditional Moroccan cuisine, as it is dotted with authentic restaurants and cafes serving up delicious local dishes. Overall, the Old Medina Agadir is a must-visit for anyone looking to immerse themselves in the authentic charm and culture of this Moroccan city. And the best part is that entrance to this historic area is completely free. Agadir Medina was built in the 16th century by the Portuguese and later was rebuilt by the Saadian dynasty in the 18th century after an earthquake destroyed the city in 1960. The Medina is a historical and cultural gem in Agadir, showcasing traditional Berber architecture, narrow alleys, and vibrant souks. It offers a glimpse into the city's rich past and is considered a must-visit attraction for tourists. The Medina is home to numerous artisan shops, selling everything from carpets and pottery to leather goods and spices. Visitors can also experience the local cuisine at the many charming cafes and restaurants scattered throughout the area. The Medina is a hub of activity, with locals and tourists alike wandering its streets, shopping and admiring the ancient architecture. Today, Agadir Medina stands as a testament to the city's resilience and determination to preserve its heritage. It is a place where the past and present come together, creating a unique and captivating atmosphere that continues to draw visitors from around the world. Agadir is not alcohol-free. While Morocco is a predominantly Muslim country where alcohol consumption is not common, Agadir, as a popular tourist destination, does have establishments that serve alcohol. Visitors can find bars, restaurants, and hotels that offer alcoholic beverages. However, it is important to note that alcohol consumption is not as openly accepted in Agadir as it is in other Western countries. Tourists are encouraged to be respectful of local customs and to drink responsibly. It is also worth mentioning that the sale and consumption of alcohol in public places are regulated, and individuals may face penalties for public intoxication. Overall, while Agadir does have options for those looking to enjoy a drink, it is not a city known for its vibrant nightlife or party scene. Travelers should be mindful of the cultural and legal considerations when choosing to consume alcohol in Agadir.
That's the cafe there again. Barbecue, hey? Barbecue. This smells fire. That way is back at it. What's over here? Let's have a quick look. That one's back at it. Down there. Oh, yeah. Did you come here before? No. It's like a maze, isn't it?
Whether you are craving a tagine cooked to perfection or a fresh seafood platter, the restaurants in Agadir's Old Medina have something for everyone. With cozy cafes and bustling eateries lining the narrow streets, diners can immerse themselves in the vibrant atmosphere of this lively neighborhood.
This is quite nice.
The menus boast a range of options, from hearty couscous dishes to delicate pastries for dessert. Some restaurants offer rooftop dining, providing stunning views of the city and the Atlantic Ocean. Visitors can sample local specialties like harira soup or grilled sardines, experiencing the rich flavors of Moroccan cuisine, with friendly staff and
This is like a
welcoming
cafe area.
hospitality. Dining in Agadir's Old Medina is not
That's the
just a
thing,
meal, but a cultural experience. So come and explore the culinary delights of this historic district, where each restaurant has its own unique dishes waiting to be savored. Hey there! Just wanted to take a moment to say a big thank you for watching my video on YouTube. Your support means the world to me, and I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch. Like and comment on my content. Creating videos and sharing them with the world is a passion of mine, and knowing that people like you are enjoying and engaging with what I create is incredibly rewarding. Your feedback and encouragement inspire me to keep producing more content that you'll love. I hope that my videos bring value, entertainment, or knowledge to your day. And I'm grateful for the opportunity to connect with you through this platform. Whether it's through tutorials, vlogs, music, or any other type of content, I'm committed to continuing to deliver the best that I can offer. If you have any suggestions, ideas, or requests for future videos, please feel free to let me know in the comments. Your input is invaluable to me, and I always strive to create content that resonates with my audience. Once again, thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube community. Your support motivates me to keep growing and improving, and I can't wait to share more exciting content with you in the future. Keep watching, and I'll keep creating.